Now, net cell reaction is the sum of equations 1, 2 and 3. That is sum of left terms and sum of right terms on right side. Then we can write H plus A2 plus T minus Cl minus A2 plus H plus A1 plus T minus H plus A2, and right side becomes H plus A1 in equation 2 T minus Cl minus ions A1 plus H plus A2 plus T minus H plus, then we cancel similar terms, that is H plus A2, H plus A2, H plus A1, H plus A1. Then write the remaining terms, that is T minus Cl minus A2 plus T minus H plus A2 gives T minus Cl minus A1, that is this term, then T minus H plus A1. Then again rearrange, common term is T minus, here H plus A2 plus Cl minus A2, and on the right side common term is transfer number type, and that is T minus H plus A1 plus Cl minus A1. Then T minus HCl A2 and T minus electrolyte HCl. This is the final equation. Hence, there is transformation of T minus mole of HCl from A2 to A1 for every farad of current flows through the cell. Then EMF of the cell is, that is E cell T is equal to minus 2.303 RT upon F into log of A1 T minus 1 upon A2 T minus 1. Here N is equal to 1 and E0 cell is equal to 0 because electrodes are safe. Then this equation can be written as T minus into 2.303 RT upon F. You can interchange the numerator and denominator. Therefore, this term can be, म्हणजे आपल्याला अशा पद्धतीने लिहिता येईल A1 upon A2 T raised to minus 1. म्हणजे लॉग ऑफ असं जर असेल, म्हणजे हा एक रूल आहे, लॉग ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर असेल तर आपल्याला 2 into log x अशा पद्धतीने लिहिता येतं. हा रूल आपण या ठिकाणी अप्लाय केला, T minus 1 इथे पुढे घेतला, इंटू इंटरन्युमिरेटर डिनोमिनेटर चेंज केलं की ते साइन चेंज झालं, त्यामुळे आपण निगेटिव्हचं पॉझिटिव्ह आला, इंटू लॉग ऑफ A2 अपॉन F. म्हणजे फायनल इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस डेरिवेशन इज लाइक दिस. For a spontaneous cell reaction, E cell will be positive when A2 is greater than A1. म्हणजे condition असेल concentration of A2 is greater than concentration of A1. Again, E cell T depends upon the ratio of activities of HCl and transport number of anions. Now, समजा आपण आता एखादं इलेक्ट्रोलाइट जर घेतलं ना आपण HCl, this equation becomes for HCl A is equal to m into gamma raised to 2. A means activity, m means molality, gamma means activity coefficient. Then this equation can be written as like this: A cell T is equal to T minus into 2.303 RT upon F